Hello student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. We are discussing mole concept. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 Avogadro number. It is a quantity. For example, if we are saying a pair means 2, a dozen means 12. A dozen of banana, 12 banana. A dozen of books, 12 books. A dozen of car, 12 cars. A pair means 2. Like that, a mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It can be electron, it can be molecule, it can be atoms, it can be proton, anything. For example, if I'll say 1 mole of books means Avogadro number of books, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 book. Or if I'll say 1 mole of car, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 car. But such a huge number, and we will not use for car or books. Okay, we will use it for electron, proton, neutron, water molecule, like smaller, but very big, in a very small quantity, microscopic structure. So for that we are using Avogadro number. Clear? 1 mole of water contains how many molecule? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. Now we will this 1 mole of water composed of 2 mole of hydrogen atom and 1 mole of oxygen atom. Remember, if I am using 1 mole, at that time I will say mole of hydrogen, 2 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen atom. But if I say 1 molecule of water, I am saying molecule. At that time I will say 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Clear to you? Now 1 mole of water, again I will come in mole terms. 1 mole of water is composed of 2 mole of hydrogen atom. See, H2O we are writing, so 2 mole of hydrogen atom and 1 mole of oxygen atom. And we know that 1 mole is having 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 value. That is why this hydrogen atom, total hydrogen atom will be 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 plus total oxygen atom only 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Now we add them together, so we can write it in different way. That total 2 plus 1, 3 moles are there. Okay, so 3 moles multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So total atoms including hydrogen and oxygen will be 18.066 into 10 to the power 23. You can take it into standard form also, 1.8066 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, because 1 decimal is shifted here, so it number total atoms. Okay, total atoms in water molecule, 1 mole of water. Of course, 1 mole of water. Clear? All the best. God bless you. Thank you for watching.